Hi guys, today I want to show you on how to change TikTok shop name. First, we need to download this app called Seller Center. So if you don't have this app, you can download it in Play Store. So search for TikTok Seller. In my case, I've already installed it, so I'm gonna open it. Then here we are in TikTok Shop Seller. So in the lower part of your screen, we can see products, orders, chat, and settings. So here we can change our shop name by tapping this shop information, and here is our shop name, and you can change it whatever you want. That's it. You're all set.